Vocabulary. Tourism. Match the sentence halves. 1. There were a lot of tourists in our hotel. There were a lot of tourists in our hotel. 2. I always wanted to be a tour guide because I love showing people my city. I always wanted to be a tour guide because I love showing people my city. 3. We went on a guided tour around the churches of Rome. We went on a guided tour around the churches of Rome. 4. They saw a lot of tourist attractions, including a. the History Museum and the National Art Gallery. They saw a lot of tourist attractions, including the History Museum and the National Art Gallery. 5. I really enjoyed the boat trip. Down the River Nile. I really enjoyed the boat trip down the River Nile. 6. The best thing about Corsica is the scenery, which includes mountains, beaches and forests. The best thing about Corsica is the scenery, which includes mountains, beaches and forests. 7. Our boat took us under a waterfall, which was 50 meters high. Our boat took us under a waterfall, which was 50 meters high. Function. Asking for, giving directions. 2. Underline the correct alternatives. Where no word is necessary, choose 1 for the police station, go straight on, and you can't miss it. 2. Go along the main road until you see the sports field. 3. To reach the train station, you need to go through the center of town. 4. Keep going until you reach the corner of King's Road. 5. You'll find the bar at the corner. 6. Walk for 2 minutes and you'll see the school in front of you. 7. Take the second left after the library and you'll see my house. 8. For the post office, go past the turning for the station.
Unit 5. Recording 4. 1.
Go along Hemingway Road, go past the Bellow Club, and take the first left. It's next to the Baldwin Bar.
2.
Go along Hemingway Road, then take the first right. You'll be on Morrison Road. Go along Morrison Road for about 5 minutes, past the turning for the car park. It's in front of you.
3.
Go along Hemingway Road, keep going until you reach Carver Street. Turn right on Carver Street, and it's the first building on your right.
4.
Go straight along Hemingway Road, take the second right. You'll be on Cheever Road. Go along Cheever Road, go past the school, it's on your right.
5.
Go straight along Hemingway Road, keep going until you reach Nabokov Street. Turn left on Nabokov Street. Go straight on. There's a river, the Faulkner River. Cross the bridge, and it's in front of you.
6.
Go along Hemingway Road, take the first right on Morrison Road. Then take the first left. There's a hospital. It's next to the hospital.
Unit 5. Recording 5. 1.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the Science Museum.
Go straight on. You can't miss it.
Okay, so it's easy. Can you show me on the map?
Yes, of course.
2.
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the internet cafe. Is this the right way?
Yes. Keep going. You'll see it in front of you.
Can I walk?
Yes, you can. It takes about 10 minutes.
3.
Is it far to the tube?
No, it's about 2 minutes walk.
Okay, so I need to go left at the cinema.
That's right. It's easy.
Unit 5. Recording 5. 1.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the Science Museum.
Go straight on. You can't miss it.
Okay, so it's easy. Can you show me on the map?
Yes, of course.
2.
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the internet cafe. Is this the right way?
Yes. Keep going. You'll see it in front of you.
Can I walk?
Yes, you can. It takes about 10 minutes.
3.
Is it far to the tube?
No, it's about 2 minutes walk.
Okay, so I need to go left at the cinema.
That's right. It's easy.